We offer two different sizes of drill rigs. A smaller one for convenient and flexible use, and a more powerful one for larger drill bits. They are both lightweight, as all major components are made of sturdy aluminium. This presentation describes the smaller rig. The drill rig comes with the following standard components: base plate with levelling screws and detachable wheels, reversible support column and an easy-to-use adjustable telescopic extension, sealing brace, a simple and adjustable clamping mechanism,